Go. Not like that, baby. Stop. Say it right. Say it right.
Hello, guys. My name is Nina. And come over to my daddy Barber shop and buy he built oil and look at he and this what it look like. Not like this. It's like this. See? Like the same. And it's like coconut, watermelon, coconut, coke, 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 coke. If you wanna go, let's go like that. Can man every single day if you wanna see my daddy. See, he got those sparkly scissors. That is dangerous. You see his bubbles. And you got to learn your sideways and your neighbors on Sesame Street every day. You see, I watch Sesame Street. That's why you got to watch it every day, not Peppa Pig, because Peppa Pig don't lose nothing. Only my daddy can watch Sesame Street too. When he a kid, right? And now he's not a kid anymore, right? Just like the other day. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Now, what's some things you like to do?
I like to watch Peppa Pig and watch Sesame Street and go to bed and watch a movie and then get my hair like this and then when I get my hair like this when I get my hair like this it's too tight, so that's why.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink, like my pants. You see? You see, guys? Oh, ooh, ooh.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
It's rice and some chicken leg and some frogs and some cool and like to be cold. And I like to eat. And I like to eat Santa Claus. I like to eat Santa Claus too. But I never tasted her before.
What's your favorite color?
It's pink, I told you. It's pink cocoa, 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 pink cocoa.
How many colors do you know?
I know. Orange, blue, yellow, purple, pink, green, light blue, white, black like the color, pink like my top and my headphones, and red is like that, and red is almost like pink, white, right?
Yep.
So you had to buy oil for my daddy bill. For my Barber bill. Oh, ooh, ooh, ah, oh. Santa Claus. Santa Claus don't know where I live because Santa Claus never been at my house. But I was good. But someone did.
Sky, what's some things you good at?
I got that numbers and I got that. And I got colors, and I got that making some song, but I never and making some toothpaste and making some oil bill and making some. And making some numbers on the list. And I like making. And I like making. Numbers. That's what I meant to say. Numbers. And that, huh?
What is your favorite part of the day?
Part?
What's your favorite part of the day?
Is going to the park and making a cake.
Okay. If you had $20, what would you do with it?
Go to the park?
With $20?
No.
What would you buy with $20?
With this?
You'll buy that?
No.
What is your favorite movie?
It's the ballerina show.
Stop that before you break it.
It's the ballerina show.
You know a song up there?
No, I don't don't remember.
What's your favorite word?
It's cake.
What's the funniest thing you can think of?
I can think of nasty cake. Nasty stuff face.
If you had a superpower, what would it be? Or what would you do?
I would kill a wolf.
You would kill a wolf?
Yes. Like the oh, you stop, 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 you nasty lie.
If you was president of the United States, what would you do?
The kids going to open me when I am president.
Okay. What would you want your first job to be?
I like my first job to be work at Chick-fil-A.
You want to work at Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. Because I never work at Chick-fil-A. What's that noise?
I don't know. What do you like most about school?
I like painting. Oh, Daddy, you say you're gonna make some. You said we were gonna make fly beside the cows yesterday.
Oh yeah, we will. What do you like about Chick-fil-A?
I like doing some. Okay. Let me think for a minute. We'll get Chick-fil-A. I said we'll get Chick-fil-A.
What do you like to eat at Chick-fil-A?
Some hot dogs and some burgers and some.
They don't got hot dogs and burgers.
And some nasty ketchup and mustard.
When is your birthday?
Until August 12th. Is it? No.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Because your friend told me the other day.
Mm-hmm. Would you rather have a pet monkey or a reindeer?
I like a pet rabbit.
A rabbit.
Mhm.
Would you rather listen to music or read a book?
I think eat carrots because bunnies eat carrots. A nap.
You like taking naps?
Yeah, because I always sleep for a long time. That's why.
You like going? Would you rather ride on the train or ride on the airplane?
Why on the train? Because when I go on the airplane, my ears start honing. So that's why.
Would you rather walk on your hands everywhere or roll everywhere?
Walk. Walk. Walk.
Would you rather have a clown nose or a clown hair?
A cow, a carrot nose. Then look at Elmo.
You like Elmo? What do you like about Elmo? What you like about Elmo? Sky.
Huh?
What you like about Elmo?
I like watching Elmo because I didn't know that you called my name.
Okay. What you got in your hand?
A paper glue and some. It's a beer oil.
Whose beer oil is that?
Yours.
And
Yours nasty chicken leg.
you think everybody should buy that beer oil?
Yeah.
Do it smell good?
I think I can smell it. Can I? I never smelled it before. So can I smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open the top. Oh no.
You have smelled it before, but I don't let you smell it again. Let me see.
Good job, babe. Oh.
Oh yeah, no. Rub it together.
It's so good.
You do?
Only the big one's not the little. Can you say the little one?
It's the same thing.
Oh.
You smell good?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, that's it, baby.
Can I see?